Good afternoon. My name is Adriana Rubiano Chacon, Program Business Administration. I want to discuss the effect of technology on the environment. In my opinion, during the last decades, it has begun to worry about self-destructive and harmful aspects deriving from technology. One of the negative effects is pollution, natural resources, destruction of forests, thinning of the solar greenhouse effect, and mineral waste. New technology emerged as reality increase and economical technology. While movies, and laptops are shared of this now. But the reuse may well approach. Almost practically like 50% of its attention. The usual fed adult was lowered. Warming be developing growing technology, which the environment is very adverse. That innovation to fight that technology is part of the solution